And here we go. 01 C240. I'm gonna call this old versus new, or new into the old. There we go. And okay, 01 C240. I don't even know if these cars are still on the road, but if they are, we're gonna put this in. If you still exist. And it's a Mercedes, so I'm only assuming it's nothing but problems. See that? I mean, look at this. Good thing it's going bye-byes. So, let's get started. Shifter, gotta come up and out. Now we have to go on the other side, put it in gear, get the radio out. Let's get the radio out. Shifter back. Pop these guys out. Tool like this. You go back behind here, back behind here, and this puppy will pop right out. Why am I doing this? Who the hell knows? But I'm getting paid for it, so might as well, right? So let's get this guy out. Now with the other hand, get this guy out. But back behind here are two stupid clips. You gotta see this. This is so stupid. Let me pause this. Let me get this guy out and I'm gonna show you how stupid this is. There's a screw back there. You see it? Gotta use something like this. Pop this guy out. Right in between it. Whee! Now we get two screws out. Oh, and this thing just pops right out. Just gotta be careful. These little tabs will break on you, just like this one did. Moving on. More stupid tabs. Pull this thing down and out of the way. Gotta get these tabs out. There you go. And that holds in the whole faceplate. Ta-da! Now, back to the driver's side. Put the key in, get the shifter out. So let's do it. Pull. Pull. Clip. Pull out. You always got to pull out. Pull out and pull out. So you always pull out. There you go. Now, more screws. Let's get her out. And that's what you got. Since this pocket is wonderfully broken, we don't care because we're taking her out anyway. Let's finish taking her out. Okay. Pull, pull, squeeze, 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 and squeeze, and pull. There you have it. Right in the garbage. Maybe. This one still works actually. Put the kit together. Ooh. Ooh. Unboxing. Ooh. And then there you go. Moving on. Perfect spot for the antenna. Moving on. Perfect spot for the pocket. Garbage. There you go. Moving on. Perfect spot for the microphone. Oh, you hear that? Ooh. Pull this back a bit. Make this sit nice and... Oh, what is that? Is that a microphone? No. That is air compressor. See it? Moving on. You gotta love this tool. Focus, focus, focus. See it? Gotta love this tool. Gotta love it, gotta love it, gotta love it, gotta love it. Two T20s. One right there, going upward. One right there, going upward. Pull this puppy down so we can run the mic. And the camera, which I did not show you because that thing's a pain in the ass, and there's no way I'm gonna let you install that by yourself. So let's tuck these guys away and jump across this way. We're gonna go up into the radio. And here comes my wires. And here we go. Let's hide them. Hide. More. Moving on. Alright. Wire to wire. That's what we're gonna do. Color to color. Color match them. And we're gonna use nipples. So let's strip them. Yes, nipples. Strip them. Sure. And let's get to it. Okay, first wire to the last wire. Let's see if we can follow along. Camera, video, check. All the wire colors nippled up, and I have to tape them up. Here's my bypass for the Pioneer. So when reverse hits, let's see if we can follow all these green wires. So we've got trigger from Pioneer, jumped at this relay, and then jumped again to my main trigger, which is back in the trunk. That's my reverse wire. And we got ground, because this is a positive. So here's my trigger, here's my ground. And we're going to give the other light green, which goes to the e-brake. So when it hits reverse, this guy opens up and then closes when he's out of reverse. And that's how you bypass the Pioneer. So let's continue on. USB, check. That I ran. Follow. Right into this guy. That'll be put back later. Microphone, check. Right there. Camera, check. Now we have to plug it in. Let's plug this 1785 in, see what's going on after we clean it up. Just clean it up and keep going. Oh, and don't forget the antenna, W203. So, everything's plugged in. We'll straighten her up as we go along. Let's get the radio. And we will play with this. Let's go. Ooh, pretty. Now, let's plug it in. Moment of truth. Everything's plugged in. Key. Ooh, accessory. Uh-oh. We have NEX. Ooh. Ooh. All right, yeah. So, gotta put everything back and test. Now, before you button it up, let's see. Oh, down. Yes. We don't want to hear this guy talking. Here we go. So, stuff everything back in the dash. Plug everything in. And I'm going to finish it up. Now, how do you stuff all that back in the dash? Very carefully. So you have to put stuff on the bottom, put stuff over to the side, put stuff over here. We got to fight. All right, so some finagling, brute force. I widen this guy up with this guy. Just squeeze in the screws because there's one in the back. I should have just left one screw in, but oh well. I spread her open. No pun intended. And then now we screw. So I took the screw out. I had the screw right here. You can see the indent of where the screw was. I had to take it out. Wouldn't go back any further. So some brute force, some luck, and I got it to go. So 2 screws back in here. Put it all back the way you took it out. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.